weighing 192 pounds. The ESPN Global Light Heavyweight Champion of the world. He is none other than the Lightning Kid. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this match will get a PWA title match here at George's. PWA heavyweight title match here at George's. Ropers, excuse me. What do you want, a speed? Wait a minute, folks. Dapper Donn, nickname Dapper Donn. What's going on here?
Well, a couple months ago, we gave the Lightning Kid a plaque that proclaimed him a legitimate, bona fide, certified big deal. And now we'd like to present him with another plaque on behalf of his legions of fans. And what this plaque says is that the Lightning Kid is proclaimed the greatest light heavyweight champion of all time.
An Academy Award here, everybody gets on?
We got this other certificate. We got this other certificate by Federal Express today from the American Weight Watchers Association, and it's certified that the Lightning Kid, in recognition of his devoted and valuable services rendered to the association for dropping 30 pounds to get down to the light heavyweight division, so he can win that great award. Let's have a hand.
What is this, an Academy Award? Do you wrestle anymore, or do you just talk?
Shut up 1 second.
No, Pee Wee Herman got arrested a couple weeks ago.
I just want everyone to know, since I have this newfound success, a lot of people have been jumping on the bandwagon wanting to be Lightning Kid fans. Those people over there